How does eye tracking work in iOS 18? Let's get started. With iOS 18, Apple has introduced an exciting new feature, eye tracking. Today, I'm going to show you how eye tracking works on an iPhone and how to set it up, and how it can make navigating your phone even easier. Let's dive in. Launch your settings. Now, scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under physical and motor, you'll find the option of eye tracking. Click on that option. Now enable for this option eye tracking. Eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. iPhone should be on a stable surface about 30 cm away from your face. Once activated, eye tracking allows your iPhone to detect your gaze, letting you control certain actions just by looking at your screen. This feature is great for improving accessibility and offers hands-free control. Let's make sure it's calibrated properly. iOS 18 guides you through a quick calibration process, asking you to look at different points on the screen. Follow these prompts to set it up accurately. This will help your iPhone detect your gaze more precisely. Now that you are all set up, let's see eye tracking in action. With iOS 18, you can use eye tracking for features like auto scroll in Safari, which lets you scroll just by looking at the bottom of the page, or even focus selection, which highlights items when you look at them, making it easier to select or tap. And there you have it. That's how eye tracking works on iOS 18. This feature adds a whole new layer of accessibility and convenience to your iPhone. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.